Want to learn how to insert text wrap in Google Sheets? Then this video is for you. So note that I have a spreadsheet open here in Google Sheets, and notice that when I insert text into a cell, if this text is longer than the column width, then it will go beyond the cell limit. In general, you can adjust the column width so that the text fits correctly in the cell. However, it's not always advantageous to adjust the column width for layout reasons. And in this case, one option is to wrap text. So I will press Ctrl Z to undo this change. I will select the cell in which I want to insert the text wrap. Then I access the Format tab, Wrapping, Wrap. And that's it. Note that the text wrap will be applied, creating multiple lines within the same cell. And if I change the column width, notice that the number of lines will be adapted automatically. Now I'm going to press Ctrl Z again to undo this change. An alternative way for you to use the same text break functionality in Google Sheets is to select the desired cell and click on this icon in the toolbar. So again, we have the same result with the text breaks. And finally, the third option for you to create text breaks in Google Sheets is by using the Alt-Enter shortcut. So do the following. Double-click on the cell where you want to insert the text break and select exactly where the break will be made. Then use the Alt-Enter shortcut. And notice that a line break will be inserted. Again, if you want to insert other breaks, just select the desired location and press Alt-Enter. And that's it. Here we have the line breaks in a specific location within the cell. So these are some options for inserting text break in Google Sheets. I hope this video helped. And if you like this video, I'm sure you also like this other video, I left the cards. See you next time.